Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm again. Today we're gonna replace a belt of my garage door, Chamberlain. This is Whisper Drive Plus. We're gonna replace this belt here, and because it's making sounds, which is this is the rubber. The belt was broken now. That's why it's making noise. Okay, that, and we're gonna do it very quick, simple, easy steps how to replace this. All right. Where do you see the model number of your garage door? And I have this Chamberlain Whisper Drive Plus, and do you want to check the model number and the part number? And you can see it here on the side and of the lights. Right here you will see the model number and the serial number and the manufacturing date. If you want to ask the warranty of your garage and your belt too, if it is still in warranty, just call the Chamberlain itself, so if they can replace it if something wrong with your garage door. We're gonna start from here. We're gonna make it loose, the spring, and so that we can take it out, and also remove the cover in there of the. We need a small screw. Make sure the socket is unplugged. Okay, just in case you don't need the electric, shock. To remove the cover, there's this 3 screw here, 1, 2, and 3. So I loosen it, and then you can remove like that. All right. Now you need a wrench, half wrench, so to make it loose. Like that. Alright, to make it loose, so that you can take this out. Okay, just to make it loose. Put it all together. Like that. As you can see, I make it loosen, but I'm just gonna show you how. I'm loosening the screw now. Right there. It's moving and losing. You will see that. Be careful. It's loosening up. Like that. Just turn it. It's there. There. Alright. See, it's losing up. Alright. It's losing up. See the belt itself. This belt is original from Chamberlain. I bought it from Chamberlain, and you can buy it from Amazon too. They have a Chamberlain store there. I will put the link below. Alright, where to buy it, and just give their model number, and so you will get the right size for it. Right, see, I'm holding it right now. Just remove that thing. Oops. Alright. There you go. And this is the new one. And this is the part number 7 foot. So now we can take her out now. Yeah. Right. And here's the bad one. Stop making noise. You will hear it if your belt is broken. When once making noise of your garage. Is the one. Okay. So I need to put it down all the way to the garage so that I remove the. So I have lights, some lights, and now I don't have lights. And I'm gonna start. Take it out from here. Oh, I think it won't fit, so I need to remove this this screw so that take it out this roller to remove all the way, right? And right. Okay guys, I have some tips for you before you do the replacing this belt, garage belt, and before you remove it, of course you need to mark which spot this trolley, and you have to put on the same spot, so it's easy for you. Put some marking here on this side, both side, so that's the easiest way, and that's it. Try it out. How does it work now? Okay, and smooth. All right, down, stop, and open again. There you go. Okay, up and all the way. All right. Okay guys, thank you for watching how to replace your garage door belt. I have this Chamberlain. I hope it will help you and save some money. I'll give you the link in the description below where to buy it, the belt. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.